Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of cognitive distortions and how they affect our mental being. Today, we are going to tackle common distortion that can wreak havoc on our lives: catastrophizing. So, buckle up and get ready to learn 3 powerful approaches to replace catastrophizing with healthier thinking. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. First, let's understand what catastrophizing really is. It's a cognitive distortion, a thinking error that makes us envision the worst possible outcome in a current or future situation. It takes a difficult moment and blows it out of proportion, making it seem horrible, terrible, and completely unrecoverable. Picture this: you have an important test coming up and you start worrying about failing, but then catastrophizing takes over and you imagine a cascade of events: failing the test, dropping out of school, working at fast food restaurants forever, and ending up homeless on the streets. It's like a never-ending cycle of negativity. We've all encountered someone who, upon receiving a B on a test, exclaims, "I'm failing math class." Or perhaps you've had that parent who, when you didn't want to do your chores, exclaimed something extreme like, "If you don't do your chores, you will end up alone, penniless, and no one will ever want to marry you." Sound familiar? To illustrate the impact of catastrophizing, let me share a story. A man finds himself stranded on a dark, lonely road with a flat tire. As he walks toward a distant farmhouse to seek help, his mind starts spiraling. He imagines the farmer being cranky, having guns, and even attacking him. Fueled by fear and anger, he slams the door shut when help finally arrives. Catastrophizing messes up in various ways. It closes us off from opportunities, leading to a sense of paralysis. We invite the very problems we're hoping to avoid. It also invites depression, as we imagine a bleak and hopeless future, damping our motivation and joy. On top of that, it fuels anxiety, making our brain see threats and failure everywhere, triggering the fight-flight freeze response. Now, you might be wondering, why do we keep doing this to ourselves? But here is the truth: you are not defective. You might be engaged in unhelpful thought patterns, but that doesn't make you bad or broken. It means you can change and feel better. Take a moment to be kind to yourself and embrace the courage it takes to transform your thinking. So, how can we break free from catastrophizing? Let's dive into 3 powerful approaches you can start implementing today. Get a good night's rest. Sleep deprivation heightens our sensibility to threats and diminishes our resilience. Rested, you'll have the strength to face challenges bravely. Embrace uncertainty. Accept that uncertainty is a natural part of life. Instead of labeling anxiety as a bad or unmanageable, view it as uncomfortable but manageable. Remind yourself that you can handle difficult emotions. Courage, it's not the absence of fear, but the judgment that something else is more important. Focus on positive goals. Motivate yourself by aligning your action with what you want in life, your values, and your aspirations. Instead of using fear as motivator, choose hope and purpose. Break down your goals into smaller achievable steps and bravely work towards them. Remember, change takes effort, but you are capable of doing hard things. Start by noticing when you are catastrophizing and challenge those thoughts. Replace them with more honest and rational ones, considering alternative outcomes. Let go of the need to control everything and open yourself up to the vulnerability. Share this video with someone who might benefit from it, because you never know whose life you can impact positively. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself. Remember, as you courageously face life's challenges, you will be rewarded with good things happening to you all the time. So keep that positivity flowing and make good things come your way.